Hey folks, my name is Rob Satterm. I'm the owner of Feedbackwrench. We do websites and ads for many businesses, but in particular bookkeepers, accountants, and tax firms, CPA firms. And whether you're a small firm or if it's just you or you've got a handful of employees, we would love to set you up with a website and ads that actually create sales. And we don't just set up a system for you and run or give you a template. As part of this, we're going to do the writing for you. Something that you're going to realize when you work with other design firms is they don't have the competencies in this area that myself has developed. And I'm the core writer. So we've got a small team around us. I've got a full-time web developer. We've got a project manager, a couple of other writers, and then we have a video guy. But basically what we do is we will handle the writing and messaging for you. We're going to build that writing and messaging particularly for your approach in your accounting firm, because everybody's a little bit different, whether you're working with construction companies or maybe you're only trying to work with larger companies. I've seen it all, but here's what I'll tell you. More than any other firm that you're going to work with, we're going to handle that homework for you, which is an absolute pleasure for our end customers. Now, it's a collaborative process. When we develop messaging, what we're going to do, and this is really all about writing and messaging, we're going to make sure that we abide by some really good fundamentals that we know work really well. We're going to make sure that we have clear calls to action. So I'm showing you on my website here, schedule a consultation, make a phone call. We have buttons up here that are there during mobile or desktop. We're going to work on messaging throughout the site so that we're letting people know where this is going. We want to schedule a consultation. The other thing that you're going to see is we work very hard to make sure that we have good hero sections that are very clear, show exactly what you do. We do web design, copywriting, ads, and SEO. And then the main problem that we're trying to accomplish for you. And by doing that hard work of making that clear and making sure that we're talking to business owners, showing them that you do the basics, and reeling them in to actually have a consultation with you, nobody does this better than us. I'll tell you, there's a whole multi-layered approach that we have. We know that we don't want to convey the fact that you guys are too expensive. Most people start just thinking that I just need my taxes done, or I got to get my books cleaned up, or maybe I want a bookkeeper. And then when you run a great sales process and do some meetings and drive towards a good, connect meeting analysis and proposal system, we know that what will happen is you will be able to convey deeper value, and the customer will start nodding their head that, boy, it's not just that I want the simple stuff. I know that I would like an outsourced accountant, or I'd like more of that outsourced CFO. So when it comes to messaging, though, we work really hard to cut through the clutter and get the messaging right here. The other thing that you'll see is that we know how to make these sites skimmable so that people can easily look at what's going on. We bullet point them, and a couple of things that we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have your customer reviews. So here's my customer reviews. We have over 75 5-star reviews. We're going to show this off for your business as well. Not only that, but we will build systems where if you wanted to show a video, so here's a video pop-up, and this is a video about I won't play it, but it's our clients that have gone on and given us good testimonials. We can build that video for you. We can have a pop-up like that. Your site will be similar. But some of what you're going to see is that we're going to hit on things like the value propositions. We're going to work to position yourself against the competitor. We're going to position you against kind of that, it's not a boogeyman, and we don't want to hit on it too negatively, but we're going to do this writing for you. We're going to make sure that when people come to your website, they understand who you are, what you do, and they're more likely to close with you. And I understand this. I actually built a business from 0 to 150 small businesses. I led 500 plus meetings in just accounting, and then I have Feedbackwrench. I do probably 20 meetings a week that I'm working with people, and I understand this niche so well. This is why we specialize. It's not because we chose accountants. It's that I did this, and it's just a natural fit for us. So we'll handle all the writing. We won't give you tons of homework, and I think you'll really like the results when it comes to the copywriting. So again, check it out. We're going to cover a couple other things. The next video that you can watch is going to be about the actual custom website design, and we're going to push into that and a little bit into the lead generation and then SEO as well. Good luck. God bless.